JC, you know how to use the key? Huh? You know how to use the key? How to use the key, JC? See? You put it inside the key. Remove the key, JC. What here? Remove the key, JC. Yes, remove the key. Good. You want to open? Hmm? Oh, you open it. Clever baby. Wow. Yes. You want to close it again? Now you close it again? Open. It's open, JC. It's open. Oh, again close. Yes. JC. Oh, JC. Again close. Wow.